There are some breathtaking honeymoon destinations in India. Wedding and honeymoons are two things that are always in demand and happening in a country like India. And along with thousands of wedding places rises the biggest question of what are the best honeymoon places in India to go. Well, our country is full of wonders and wonderful places, giving couples interesting and romantic honeymoon spots in India. Here we have shortlisted 10 such honeymoon places in India which can be considered by the newlyweds. The first one is Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. The capital city of Jammu and Kashmir is a paradise in every sense of the word. The lush valley, sparkling lakes, high mountains, and picturesque scenery make it one of the perfect honeymoon destinations in India that you will remember all your life. Srinagar Airport or Sikhul Alam Airport, around 15 km from the city center, connects the city with all major Indian cities. A number of airlines operate flights from prime cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore, and Mumbai. Jammu Tawi railway station is the nearest functional railhead to Srinagar. The duration of honeymoon should be 7 to 10 days, and you can experience skiing, sightseeing, Mughal gardens, houseboat, shikara ride, shopping, food, etc. The ideal time to visit Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir is from April to October. The next one is Goa, the land of sun, sand, and sea. Goa is one of the best honeymoon destinations in the world. Couples from all across the globe come here to spend their honeymoon in the rustic city of Goa. Dabalom Airport, around 26 km from Panjim, is well connected with the rest of the world and the country. Madgaon railway station and the Vasco da Gama railway stations are two major railheads serving this coastal state of India. The duration of honeymoon should be 5 to 7 days. You can experience nightlife of Goa, Goa food, shopping, beaches, adventure sports, etc. The ideal time to visit Goa is from October to January. The next destination is Coorg, Karnataka. Coorg in South India is a charming little town, also known as the Scotland of India. Counted amongst the top honeymoon destinations in India. The place is quite scenic and is perfect for couples, where they can spend a lot of time together in solitude. Connecting the lovely destination with the rest part of the country is the Mangalore Airport, which is around 160 km drive from here, while nearest railhead serving the Coorg is in Mysore, which is 95 km ahead. The duration of honeymoon should be 5 to 7 days. You can experience sightseeing of Coorg, coffee plantations, waterfalls, trekking, hiking, etc. The ideal time to visit Coorg is from October to March and from January to May. The next destination is Nainital. Nainital is a quaint and romantic hill station, perfect for newlyweds and honeymooners. Home to wonderful lakes, grand mountains, and ancient temples, this place is also counted amongst the affordable honeymoon destinations in India. Katgodam railway station is the nearest railhead to Nainital, which is about 23 km from the hill station and is connected with all major Indian cities. Patnagar Airport, about 70 km away, is the nearest serving airport. The duration of honeymoon should be from 3 to 5 days. You can experience here the lakes, boat rides, food, snow points, temples, etc. The best time to visit is from October to April. The next destination is Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. If you want to spend your honeymoon like royalty, head to Rajasthan. Jaisalmer is a gorgeous city that offers historic palaces, forts, elephants, and camelback rides, and lots of more. The place is known as for sand dunes activity in the vast expanses of the Thar Desert. Jodhpur Airport, about 280 km from the city, is the nearest airport serving Jaisalmer. While Jaisalmer railway station is well connected with all Indian major cities and operate direct trains from Delhi and Jaipur. The duration should be from 6 to 7 days. You can experience here camel safari, desert safari, forts and palaces, shopping, cultural programs, sand dunes, desert camps, sunsets, and etc. The ideal time to visit Jaisalmer is from October to March. The next one is Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. Shimla has been attracting honeymooners for a long time and is also considered one of the most affordable honeymoon destinations in India. This gorgeous hill stations is a perfect place for the newlyweds. Shimla Airport, also known as Jubarhati Airport, is the nearest domestic airport operating regular flights from cities like New Delhi and Chandigarh. Kalka railway station, which is 96 km away from the city, is the nearest railhead connecting the hill station with the prime neighboring cities in the country. The duration of honeymoon may be 3 to 4 days, and you can experience here ice skating, trekking, hiking, skiing, paragliding, temples, shopping, fooding, and a lot more. The ideal time to visit Shimla is from March to June. The next one is Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory in India and has the most exotic inhabited beaches. The beaches here have a bluish green tint and white sands. To heighten your honeymoon experience, book one of the cozy beach cottages and celebrate a new beginning of life. Lakshadweep has just one aerodrome on the Agatti Island called Agatti Airport, which is well connected with Kochi International Airport via helicopter. The duration of this honeymoon may be 7 to 9 days, and you can experience island hopping, beaches, coral reefs, water sports, scuba diving, snorkeling, etc. The next one is Ooty, Tamil Nadu. Ooty is located at the Nilgiri Hills and is one of the most prominent honeymoon destinations in the country. It promises a romantic honeymoon with lots of attraction in the town such as Botanical Garden, Rose Garden, Ooty Lake, Dodabetta Peak. It's perfect retreat for newlyweds looking for romance and peace. Coimbatore Airport, around 85 km away, is the nearest airbase to this lovely hill station. And Mettupalayam railway station, which is 40 km away, is the closest railhead connecting this place with the rest of the country. The duration of this honeymoon may be 3 to 4 days. You can experience here tea gardens, hills, Nilgiri mountain railway, lakes, foods, etc. The ideal time to visit Ooty is from March to June. The next one is Darjeeling. Darjeeling is a lovely hill station which will make your honeymoon memorable. The acres of tea plantations and chilly weather will be the icing on your honeymoon cake. People from all over the country prefer Darjeeling to begin their new married life. Bagdogra Airport, 70 km away, is the nearest airbase serving the hill town, while New Jalpaiguri is the closest railhead, which is around 65 km away. The duration of honeymoon should be 4 to 5 days, and you can experience here the tea gardens, hills, monasteries, shopping, trekking, toy train, food, and a lot more. And the ideal time to visit is from October to March. The next one is the backwater, Kerala. Kerala is known as the God's own country and is a paradise for honeymooners. The backwaters are the unique web of lakes, canals, and rivers. Hire a houseboat and enjoy your honeymoon in a traditional Kerala style. The state is served by 3 major international airports, namely Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, Cochin International Airport, and Calicut International Airport. The duration of the honeymoon should be from 10 to 12 days. You can experience backwater, boat rides, boat houses, beaches, water sports, sightseeing, temples, gardens, food, and a lot more. The ideal time to visit is from June to August. So, guys, our list of the top 10 honeymoon destinations in India ends here. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button. If you do not like this video, then hit the dislike button also. If you are new, then don't forget to subscribe. See you soon on the next video. Bye bye.